January 22nd. Hey everybody, I'm back in a little bit of a snowstorm, but we had some requests to see this John Capps Fatwood burn. So I'm going to see if I can't do that out here in this snow. Everything obviously is wet. My testing pan full of snow. We're just going to lay it right on top of the snow. I'm going to put some of the mud dust first. Trying to hit that with a ferro rod. Alright, let's do a little closer shot here. Again, John Capps Fatwood. We're going to do the mud dust first, just see how it does. Wow, that smells. And what I'm going to do, hopefully you can see here, we're just going to take it straight out of the bag. Put it right there. Alright. Got us a Nathan 4071 ferro rod and a striker. So let's see what we can do. Okay, let's try this. It's cold out here. There it goes. Now this is on top of about an inch of snow. Alright. Well, it's burning. And it's snowing. Pretty good here. And it's windy. So John, thanks man. Really appreciate it. And it's pretty windy out here, as you can tell. Alright, we'll put that out. Just move the snow. Squeeze it. Cool. Alright, so here's what I did. This morning when snow started, I came out here and buried a piece of the Fatwood that John sent. So we're going to retrieve it and try and start a fire. There it is. So let's see what we can do with this. Alright, here is the Fatwood we just got from this under the snow. And we're going to see if we can't start a fire. With this soaking wet Fatwood here from John. So we'll just cut some pieces. cold. Fingers are freezing, but some good looking stuff here. Smells delicious. It's funny, this wood smells delicious, right? So this was, let's see, I guess it was in the snow at least 3 hours. Not sure exact time here, but see if that'll work. Alright, let's see if we can get this going here. Alright, there it is. John Caps. Been in the snow for 3 hours in the snow. This wind is crazy though. Let me get over here. Look at that wind. But look at that flame. So windy. That feels good. It's really warm out. It's cold out here. Alright, we'll just let that burn out. So John, thank you so much, brother. There you have it. This was buried in the snow 3 or 4 hours. Lit right up. Okay. Well, thank John. Check out his channel, and if you like this, share it, subscribe, and I appreciate you watching. Have a good day.